Here I've got Huawei Y5P, and let me show you how to use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and now just tap on the settings. Here you have to scroll down a bit and click on timer. And now pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds. I will choose 10 seconds, and as you can see now the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay. And that's it. As you can see, now it has been grabbed. Then whenever you want to switch it off, just tap on the settings one more time, select the timer and turn the timer off. And now, as you can see, it is no longer active. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.